Today we're hosting the e-technology event at Humber Foundation Trust, and the reason behind it is to make our staff, our partners and give us an opportunity to engage on what we're doing with technologies, how that is going to help the Trust, and to get engagement and feedback from the wider groups of staff on what we're doing. The NHS, like the rest of the world, needs to move away from a world of paper records and move to one where we can use technology to create more efficiencies, more productivity, and also to be more efficient. So we move away from a paper record following a patient, which in a large community and rural area is quite challenging to keep the paper up with the paper record, to a point where the paper record is on a tablet device and all the information's there, so the patient receives better patient care and the clinicians have all the information they need to provide that care. Things we've been looking at today during the technology event are how we can work as a mobile workforce, whether that's System 1 mobile worker or the total mobile solution with Lorenzo, but basically the same type of technologies that a member of staff can work in a connected and disconnected way, especially in the East Riding where we're very rural and it's quite difficult to get good connectivity sometimes. It is one of the key ones. The morning of the e-technology event consisted of a number of sessions. The first one was presented by David Hill, the Chief Executive, to give a strategic overview of the Trust and how technologies could be support and would support where we need to go in the future. The next session was Adrian Snarr, the Deputy Chief Executive and Finance Director, who give an overview of the informatics strategy and the key areas we need to consider, such as how we would put information in System 1, share many, give an overview on the strategy. The next session was myself, Lee Rickles, Head of Informatics and Programmes, who give a more detailed overview of the next 4 years plan at a summary level to give an overview to the staff group that's attended. The staff that have attended is a wide range of nursing staff, OTs, physios, managers, senior managers, support staff in information, performance, estate. So quite a broad range of staff groups that have all got a key role to play within the delivery of the informatics strategy within the Trust. We had 3 suppliers invited to the event to basically showcase what they've got, what we can use that they've got that we can use better, and what their future roadmaps are. The 3 suppliers were TPP, presenting System 1, CSC for Lorenzo, and also B2 were presented on the total mobile solution and nerve centre solution. It shows the commitment from the suppliers to turn up, to take the time with the staff, and it also gives the commitment from the staff to see the suppliers. And it gives them the opportunity to talk directly to the suppliers. In a lot of cases, they don't get that opportunity. They'll normally end up engaging with the support services around that particular system. So it's a good opportunity to get their points across or ask direct questions. The way that the wider staff groups can get involved is we already have existing forums with the System 1 user group, the Lorenzo user group. We've also got the Programme Management Office, which is always a good point of contact, or the IT service desk. They may not be the right people that you need to talk to in the first place, but they'll definitely be able to direct you to the right person. And what I would stress is do get involved and do ask the questions, because no question's a bad question, but if you don't ask it, we can't understand what it is and help it either fix a problem or even benefit from good ideas that are already out there that we haven't already picked up upon. Yeah, the feedback we've received on today's event has been very, very positive. The opportunity to have that direct access to suppliers, to be able to talk to senior members of the team and also the people on the shop floor as well, and get a real understanding across all staff groups of what are the challenges, what are the opportunities, how we can work together, and we do need to work together. The actual flow of the event seems to have gone very well, timed quite well. So yeah, the overall feedback has been very positive, and we will be continuing to run further technology events. What we would look to do is, if staff are keen to get involved, start getting in contact now, and we can potentially schedule events where there is a requirement, rather than waiting until we decide it's the right time to have one.